One Travis Scott collab. So these are the Air Force One sale. So to see how our HO waterproofing works.
Magtanano babo kabalin ko, musta kayo po? Ako yung Luis Season ng Meron Pampanga. Abe kayo po yung Mark, tsaka yung Bim. Yung puntalan ni po ngayon is, lagyo na po is sneaker syndrome. So last week, pepalinis mila po rin kaya kaming sapatos and ngayon ibalikan mila. These are our shoes. This one's for my wife. And then ito naman yung sa akin. This is the before. So let's check out after like 5 to 10 days.
Yeah, I'll
So
check
they're
it
just
out.
gonna inform us. Lawin tamo nung nanwitang result na. See you in 1 week guys. We're gonna be here after a week. So we're gonna check out our shoes. So lawin tamo ngayon kayong sneaker syndrome. And ito pinlawin tala retong kaya katamong sapatos. Hello ma'am. Hello, kumusta po kayo? Look at that. Oray na rin itong sapatos na pepalinis na mo. May kanakuting kong Air Max.
Saka Adidas Campus.
Adidas Campus na uman rin kanakang kay. Para kayong kanakang wife. To know more about nung nanong gewada kayo nila, mag-flashback ta mo 1 week ago. In 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Anton Cruz and this is Sneaker Syndrome. So basically, Sneaker Syndrome started like October 2018. It actually started sa house lang. We had a service center for all our pairs. Tapos we started with cleaning our own pairs kasi we noticed na a lot of pairs were dirty pero hindi na nag-cut. Instead of throwing them away, we actually tried to clean them. So we bought a standard kit. It's a well-known sneaker cleaning kit pero we noticed na it depends on the person who's actually cleaning it. Kasi minsan nagka-time na we actually damaged our shoes. As I can remember, yung shoes ko nun is the Triple White Ultra Boost. I think the version was V2. So yung V2 kasi is medyo siya, parang cloth. So when we used the sneaker cleaning kit, medyo nasira ko yung mismong uppers. So sabi ko, so meron ng sneaker cleaning kit dito sa market pero walang tagalinis. So we did some research here in Pampanga and actually wala pa talagang business na ganun. We did some research around 4 months with branding and actually testing our services. And what we noticed was per shoe there's like its own personality and its own makeup kumbaga. As you can see na ito yung Ultra Boost, it's made of a boost midsole tapos meron din silang parang knit uppers. Some shoes din they come with canvas, rubber midsoles, gum soles. Okay, ito naman. It's a iconic shoe ngayon made by Kanye West with collaboration with Adidas. So this is the Yeezy 700s Wave Runners. This is actually a perfect shoe to show you guys na it really takes proper knowledge and practice and skill to really clean these pairs. Actually, to be honest, di pa ito malinis kasi mahirap talagang linisin yung mga pairs na to kasi these soles, hindi basta-bastang rubber lang na kada punas, kada brush, kada scrape, malis agad yung dumi. Kasi these midsoles are actually hand-painted or minsan madali silang masira o madamage. So really take care, lalo na itong part na to, suede, tapos may mesh.
This shoe alone, iba-iba na yung material na, right?
This shoe alone, iba-iba na yung material niya. So may suede, may mesh, may leather, tapos meron pang parang maarating plastic If you could see, medyo may scrapes na. It's really not, kung sasabihin, dumi siya, hindi siya dumi. It's really how sensitive the material is.
Correct.
So if these shoes can go up to 20,000 So as we notice, habang tumataas yung value ng sapatos, nagiging mas maarte siya. Before we clean them, we really have to assess. Kaya pag may customers kaming dumadating, mas recommend namin is they drop their shoes, we give free sneaker cleaning recommendations. So I think last week we had one person, 8 pairs, pero when we checked the amount, yung ginastos niya, umabot siguro ng 500,000. And
Total price.
500,000 pesos total price. And naisip namin kung may taong willing gumastos ng ganun kalaki sa mga sapatos. Parang sayang din yung pera if parang nasira na, nadumihan na. Sayang din if we have to buy a new pair ba. So, I think our business is best for those people na they could actually revive their shoes. Pag may mga nagpapadalang shoes, we have a sneaker service booklet.
Okay.
This booklet
How does it
shows,
work?
what we did was we compiled all the shoes na madami nagpapalinis. Mga simpleng rubber shoes. So with these rubber shoes, we call them deep clean standard. Kasi standard materials lang. These standard materials are leather, knit, nylon, rubber, canvas, and etc. Ito yung before and after. So ito rin yung Nike Huaraches, yung Yeezys, tsaka yung Converse Jack Purcell. Ito yung mga hilig ng mga Pinoy ngayon. So really had to put them para at least pagpasok nila madumi, tapos pagtingin nila dun sa booklet, ay ito yung sapatos ko.
Yeah.
They sell it for like 12,000 pesos, mga ganon, 12, 20. However, when it comes to limited releases na, tumataas talaga yung mga value nito. So this is actually the Chicago Jordan 1s, pero it was a collaboration with Virgil Abloh's Off-White. So this belonged to the series 10 of 10 Nike shoes, tapos dinesign ni Virgil Abloh na he added his own touch. Kaya ito, he had the Off-White zip tie, deconstruction, the air. Ayun, so I think these went, I'm not sure how much these went for, but I checked a trusted source. If you sell this brand new, these go for 200,000, 100 to 200,000.
Well, advice to like some kids or probably young entrepreneurs who want to start business like you.
I think as cliche as it sounds,
Sure.
Follow your passion talaga. Kasi personally, I like shoes.
Okay.
Pero there's like a stigma right now na pag mahal na yung sapatos, di mo na sinusuot. Kaya I really like this business kasi kahit gaano kamahal yung sapatos namin, kasi parang nangingilayang ka sa atin. At least I know that there's this business, there's this service na kahit madumihan man, gaano man makadumihan yung sapatos ko, I could have it clean. We clean a pair of sneakers, we provide them with a free Sneaker Syndrome bag para at least protected talaga yung shoes mo.
Yeah.
And what I like about this is meron ka ng sariling bag, tsaka if you plan on reusing them and having a pair clean, you could actually reuse the pairs and we could give you a discount then.
Wow.
Discounted price na yung next cleaning mo with reusing the bag. Once again, I am Anton Cruz from Sneaker Syndrome and I invite you to drop off your dirty pairs here at our flagship store located at Corazon Street, Rizal Extension Corner, Nepo Subdivision. We're open from Mondays to Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. See you there.